Hi, I'm Alicia Maher. I'm the author of Delicious El Salvador and El Salvador Sabores Deliciosos. Today I'm going to show you how to make Salvadorian tomato sauce. And this is the recipe, and this is the basic recipe that goes on pupusas, yuca frita, and pastelitos, which are Salvadorian empanadas. Let me show you how to make it.
Okay, and here are the ingredients. 2 cups chopped tomatoes, ripe, 1 cup water, 2 garlic cloves, half a cup chopped onion, half a cup chopped green bell pepper, half a cup chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon ground achote seeds, half a teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, freshly ground if possible, a half teaspoon dried oregano. Yum! In a medium saucepan and over high heat, combine all the ingredients. Bring all the ingredients to a boil, cover, and then reduce heat to medium-low. Cook for another 30 minutes. Turn off the stove and let the ingredients cool before we pour them in the blender. Blend all the ingredients on high for 2 minutes or until smooth. It's gonna be delicious. Return the sauce to the stove, bring to a full boil, stir well, cover, reduce heat, and cook for the next 10 minutes. Remove sauce from the stove and let it cool completely before serving. Sprinkle the oregano on top before serving, and this traditional Salvadorian salsa roja is ready. Salsa roja en pupusas. ¡Que viva El Salvador!